This is Karodandal village, lying on the left side of the Kinja Lake, some 150 kilometers east of Karachi city. Consisting of some 30 households, the village is deprived of basic life amenities, including gas and electricity. These poor villagers earn their livelihood from mat making and other labor work in the nearby farmlands. WWF Pakistan is engaged in the area and has launched a 5-year Indus for All program that aims at protection and conservation of local wildlife and forests in the area. As a part of the Indus for All program, the 4 villages have been provided a solar energy system for electrification of their huts. These households are now glad on seeing their huts lightened up through this solar energy system without paying any monthly bills.
पर अगे गासलेट बारना दी तकलीफ होंदी हियर 2-2 कलाक सही नमूने हले दी मान टुकरी सही खिंदा फर्स्ट क्लास रात जो टाइम में कम न करे तो.
The average monthly cost of kerosene oil burning per household in this village is around 1,300 to 1,500 rupees. Women who mostly handle financial affairs of their families say that this kind of electricity has reduced their bills of kerosene oil burning too. The women say that they have also got rid of health hazards posed to their health because of kerosene oil burning.
तकलीफ भी घास लेटा जा पैसा भरी तेल बरन ता जा फायदा नुकसान असा के ये हन्न में असा के फायदो आ सवालात न में आज रात जो उठी होंगी हूं सुबह सो जा रहे थे.
The residents of this Karodandal village in district Thatta have expressed intense happiness over electrification of these households through this solar system, which has lightened up their homes. As a pilot project, 10 huts in each of the 4 villages have been provided electricity through the 4 solar energy systems of 400 watts each, with 2 energy savers bulbs of 24 watts per household.
We have provided this kind of solar units to about 4 other villages, having the same capacity to provide electricity of about 10 households each.
In return for the solar power facility, the beneficiaries in this village have made commitment to support the Indus for All program and help protect the wildlife and forests and natural resources around the Kinja Lake. According to them, they are playing their part as eco-guards against misuse of natural resources and illegal hunting of the unique wildlife.
Overall, support and cooperation is very tremendous, and they have now been, a voluntary basis they have taken on themselves. They can continue the initiatives which we have, initiated.
In view of the benefits and noticeable fall in the tree cutting and no more use of kerosene oil, people of the other adjoining villages are also urging for replication of this solar energy. Given the abundant sunlight in this part of the country, the government can replicate the solar energy system as an alternative energy to electrify other rural areas. Saleem Shaikh, DawnNews at Karodandal village, district Thatta.